Hey, this is Yvette with Vanderbrink Auctions, and we're going to highlight a few of the cars on the Milan collection auction. Now, this is a project, of course, but what a beautiful car this would be if it's restored. This is a 1958 Impala convertible. Top bows are there. It had a power top. This was a beautiful car in its day and can go back to beauty again. You can get almost all the parts for this car. This was an automatic car. Had a red interior. Was a red car. And bonus, $348. This would be considered a big block V8 back in 1958. A pukey little 2-barrel carb, but that could be modified. All right. And then up here, of course, is a sister. This is a 1958 Impala 2-door hardtop. And again, nice car for restore. And this is a Milan collection auction. These are all 58s and 59s. It's going to be October 15th. This is a live auction in Fort Collins, Colorado with online bidding. Go to vanderbrinkauctions.com.